Good morning! This is Arlen Donaldson, real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So, happy Tuesday! It's me again giving you an update what's going on in the market. My topic for today is the new rules for FHA loan. As I talk about the loans, different type of loan before, especially for my clients sa inyo na mga first-time home buyers, we have a new rules po that it's really may affect you, especially for my client that's still holding on. Meaning holding on is you guys overthink if you want to buy a house right now, or you want to hold until you are you save money, okay? So may affect you, but who knows, right? This is a new rules based on the FHA sa mga bago sa inyo na before. So I will tell you quick different type of loan so you know what is FHA and what is for you. So we have different type of loan for you para makabili kayo ng bahay. Is we have a government loan, which is FHA, and this loan is mostly we use for the first-time home buyer because the down payment is very low. It's like 3.5% on the purchase price. Example, if you are buying 500,000 house, your 3.5% only is 15,000. That is for the FHA loan po. So, but right now we have a new rules for FHA. We have different type of loan as well. We have conventional loan. We have VA loan, we have USDA loan. All of those are type of loan which is available for you. But the good thing in FHA loan is super low. The criteria, and I will tell you right now, and the down payment is very low as well. I use a lot for FHA loan. Super easy loan, okay? But yung iba, nag-iisip muna, mag-ipon muna kami, we need to put 20%. Okay, you will not be affected for this one if you have money that you can put a bigger down payment. We use different type of loan like conventional loan. So, let's go ahead for this new rules for President Trump. This will affect May 25. Okay? So, FHA loan for 2025, the National Associations of Realtors NAR notes that the new FHA limit are 524,000 only for a single home in most areas. So I think more than 524. I have some client that they buy a house using the FHA for like 700, 800,000. But they have a new rules right now. The limit for the loans is 525 for single family home in most areas, with a ceiling of 1.2 million in the highest areas. So for non-permanent U.S. residents, they are no longer eligible for FHA financing starting on May 25, 2025. I want to talk about this one because magkakaroon to ng epekto. Bibili kayo ng bahay na hindi kayo permanent residents, hindi kayo citizen, right? So you will be affected for this one. There is more detail about the breakdown for the changes. So explain ko sa inyo ang mga changes na to. And of course, if you are really interested to buy a house, get it under contract before May 24, 2025. Because sa May 25, 2025, hindi na kayo pwedeng gumamit ng FHA loan if you are not US citizen or non-resident. May mga green card ba? No. So what are the general limits? I just googled this one. I do my research for this. For 2025, the standard FHA loan limit for single family home in most areas is 525,000. Okay? In the high cost areas, we have the maximum limit of 1.2 million. Okay? So for us here in Dallas, Texas, I think 525 is our limit based on this. This is the requirements, okay? This is very important for you. This is the requirements for FICO score of at least 580. You need to put 3.5% down payment. So yung credit score nyo right now at least 580. So if your credit score is not 580, you need to fix your credit score so you can use the FHA loan, the down payment. Okay, so that is the new rules. The second one is the FICO score between 500 to 579. You need to put 10% down payment. So if your credit score is 500 and 579, you need to put 10% down payment. This is really help you to get the house, or else save money muna kayo, okay? Mortgage insurance premium is required for all FHA loan. This is, we're using this one, all FHA required for the PMI, for the entire life of the loan. So, and debt to income ratio should be less than 43%. So, yung base sa kinikita ninyo at saka yung debt should be less than 43%. So, the mortgage lender, I will get my mortgage lender to explain about this one more detail sa inyo, okay? For primary residence, the home must be borrower primary residence. Of course, for the FHA, kailangan borrower primary residence mo ito. For the income and employment, borrower must have steady income and proof of employment. So, this is really, naging strict na sila, okay? For permanent, that is for permanent residents, non-permanent U.S. citizens are no longer available for FHA financing started on May 2025. Sorry, if you are not permanent residents, you are no longer available for the FHA financing. You need to use different type of loan, which is you need to put more down payment, right? Either 5%, 10%, or more, 20%. So that is based, will be started on May 2025. So kung kayo ay still thinking about it, not to buy a house, and still overthinking it, you need to push through, because especially if you have a less down payment na naipon ninyo, you need to really make under contract on May 24, or else hindi na tayo makakabili ng bahay using the FHA. Okay? So, who is eligible for the FHA then? So, for the FHA loan, the eligible only is a U.S. citizen. Must also requirements for the financing, and also the permanent U.S. residents. If you have a green card, you can also use the FHA, but it's very strict for you. So that is the new rules for FHA loan. If you are still looking to buy a house for your primary residence, it will affect you if you did not get under contract before May 24. Okay, that will affect on May 25. So that is my really concern for our my client, especially for a first-time home buyer. You need to make a decision, or else you can save more money. It's no problem for this one. Save more money for your down payment, or else we can use different type of loans. It's not really the problem. It's less choices for you. If you want to buy a house in mag-start ka ng June in the summer, it will really affect you. You need to put more money on the table. Okay? So that is my my topic for today. It's really helpful for you, especially if this is your primary residence, if you're not U.S. citizen or is not permanent residence here in the U.S. It will help. It will really affect you not to get the FHA loan. So get the loan. Get the pre-approval, find a house as soon as possible, get it under contract before May 2024 para you can use the FHA loan. This is very new topic for this month, and new from President Trump. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. You can share this video to your friends if they're overthinking or thinking if really you want to buy a house or wait. This may affect you a lot. So, for the Collin County market update, for all my clients are thinking to buy a house or sell the house, the median days in the market at the current market is 64 days in the market. It takes longer to sell the property right now, 64 or more days in the market. So, hold on, it will sell, but it takes longer to sell the property in the market at the moment. Still buyer's market. A lot of home for sale in the market. So if you're a buyer, it's also the best time for you to negotiate, get your house. Especially they lower the price for FHA as well. It's only 525,000. That is for the single family for the FHA loan. So it's changing the rules. So make sure that you will be updated, or your agent will update you what's going on, so you can still purchase a house if you are non-US residents. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure that make sure that you need to get your house under contract before May 2025. It will help your client less down payment, which is 3.5% only if your credit score is at least 580. That's the down payment. Less than that, you need to get more down payment. You need to put 10% down payment if your credit score is between 500 and 579. So you need to put 10% down payment. It's really it's a lot different right now. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Share this video to your client, to your friends. It will help you educate them if they are thinking to buy a house at the current market. Have a great one. Thank you.